Hi. So after my first video on this channel regarding the things that you can change in 2025, I started thinking of what are a few things that I can change. And here are a list of few things that I am working super hard on every day that will change my life. Number one, and this is one of the most difficult things that I've been doing. No devices as soon as I wake up for almost 15 minutes. Now that I've started being a little more consistent going to the gym, मैं सुबह 5:45 को इतनी ज़्यादा इरिटेटेड रहती हूँ कि मुझे 6 बजे निकलना है घर पे से फॉर जिम कि आई डोंट एंड अप लुकिंग एट एनी डिवाइस. बट इन जनरल आई एम वेरी इंक्लाइंड ऑन चेकिंग माई फोन फर्स्ट थिंग इन द मॉर्निंग एज इफ मेरे को 1 करोड़ रुपया आ रहा है. एनीवेज, very difficult but very important. First thing in the morning, you don't want to be doing anything. Two, eating on time. I have a very sensitive stomach, and in general it's good to eat on time, to sleep on time. So that is one thing that I'm focusing on. Lunch always happens at 1 and dinner happens at 9, 9:30. But yeah. 3, time limits on all the social media apps that I have. अटेंशन स्पैन कम हो रहा है मेरा, मच्छी जितना अटेंशन स्पैन जैसे ही मेरा होने लगा था, दैट इज़ व्हेन आई रियलाइज दैट दिस इज हाई टाइम दैट आई जस्ट स्टॉप, because there are already a lot of lots and lots of apps and lots of videos. and ये इतना जल्दी वो अभी तो फास्ट फॉरवर्ड का ऑप्शन भी आ गया इंस्टाग्राम पे, so that has been completely crazy. There are a few things that I'm doing for this. I would want you to mention that I have started learning guitar. Music is going to help me a lot and it feels so good. Another thing is that I've started reading books. So instead of going through the phone the first thing in the morning after I brush my teeth and I'm supposed to eat breakfast, I am reading books. So that is good. I get to learn something new. Yeah, in general, I am being more aware of the amount of time I spend on social media and the kind of content that I'm consuming. This brings me to the third one, that is not shopping unnecessarily on every sale that is happening. Because abhi for some reason, like there's sale the entire year. You have every month ka payday sale, then you have Black Friday sale, Diwali sale, end of season sale, end of reason sale. There's so much. There's so much going on. That cupboard is not enough for the clothes to fit in it for a single person, just for me. And I do not need to add new clothes to it also, because environmentally it's so bad, like just to like wear different clothes every day. And it's like for every trend I have a piece of it is just so wasteful. And that tells me a lot about you also. I don't think that I don't repeat my clothes is a flex at all, given the situation of the landfills and the earth in general is. So I consciously do not purchase things. Let it be with makeup also, which is quite crazy, because I think it has been around like 6 to 8 months that I have shopped anything. Yeah, I think it has been 8 months since I bought any cosmetic for myself, and I love makeup. And just imagine, like, I have enough. So those influencers that you see recommending things and trying out things, and they got influenced, they're getting paid. They're getting paid. We don't get paid to buy new clothes. We have to buy. We pay. So yeah, maybe don't buy clothes and jewelry unnecessarily. Another thing is, I think that's already mentioned in this, is I'm not going to follow any influencers. I have done that in the past. Makeup, uh, makeup to be specific, because clothes, people buy like shit expensive clothes in their shit also. So we never followed any influencers, but beauty and makeup influencers I did follow. There's this one, like, I don't know why she is famous, but she had dupe. uh, MAC Ruby Woo ka dupe was a Blue Heaven red lipstick. See, I'm not trying to be like, oh, MAC Blue Heaven ऐसा नहीं है, but it was nowhere similar. I have the MAC lipstick, I have the Blue Heaven lipstick. There कुछ भी चीज़ में similar नहीं है, वो कलर भी मैच नहीं होता है उसका. Just because MAC की लिपस्टिक ड्राई है, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि कोई भी ड्राई रेड कलर की लिपस्टिक को उसका ड्यूब बना देंगे. So take it, they do all of this, and like the entire recommendation and Duke's content is very very famous, because people would need to buy like cheaper version of the expensive thing, or they would want to buy new things, right? And even if they do not want to buy, the way that these people talk about the products would make you want to buy them, right? This is dark patterns, and they are getting paid, and then they don't mention that that is a dark pattern. These influencers have started promoting MLMs also. I don't know why, I don't know where is the integrity. I just don't understand. Just because, see, this there is this one more thing that just if a influencer is talking something wrong or something bad about that brand does not mean that it's not sponsored. वो sponsored होता है भाई, हमको realize नहीं होता क्योंकि वो mention नहीं करते हैं उसको, बट वो स्पॉन्सर्ड ही होता है, स्पेशली आफ्टर दे क्रॉस अ सर्टेन नंबर ऑन एनी ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म्स, राइट? दे आर गेटिंग पेड फॉर वट एवर दे आर सेइंग, गुड और बैड, उनके मुंह से सिर्फ वो ब्रांड का नाम निकलना चाहिए, इज वॉट इज द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ दैट ब्रांड. So is very few of them who are honest, and even I do not know who is honest in that, honestly. So you would want to not believe everything that they say. If possible, just go visit the store and touch and feel the product to make sure that you like that. I am going to make an entire video, like separate videos about these things, because it's been so crazy. So yep, not believing influencers any way. And that is it. I will see you guys in another one very soon. Bye bye. Oh, also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys. Bye bye.